love comes to strike my heart with a great desire that holds me joyfully, that I die lamenting with a sweet sorrow that comes to me from love. Therefore I love and believe I am loved, for the ill of love presses harder. The more one is intimate with it, when one cannot have the courting, the kissing, or the lying together. Loving and suffering, one can die of envy, in my opinion. Who sees and takes nothing, but only waits as I do for the best and the noblest that I know or see among all kingdoms. And I love her so, and she delights and pleases me, that the more she grants me of love and pleasure, the more she makes me suffer from a precious desire. So love often says to me, who makes me languish, how could you endure? Did ever any man see a body so noble, so gracious, or so fresh a color of any flower as her fair laughter and her mouth and her face, her white teeth and her arched delicate brows and her sweet glance, which is worth far more to behold than the star at evening does on the sea. My heart splits with grief, for by speaking well the lady wishes to slay him who does not defend himself and goes on feigning, while false slanderers raise their clamor just to think of spreading it on all sides. But such a one tells me I am not deceived in loving her, for if she wishes to grant it to me, she can show mercy and generosity and duty. But one spends ill his love and his service, who loses joy through loving loyally. For it is not fair to me that foreign suitors through their wealth should have the fair words, the pleasures, and the company that are worth more than a dearly bought lying together. And the faithful lover who must go sit far off can little prize love or his power. Of Lord Père de Gaboret, I tell you he pleases me, for he wishes to do all his power for honor. So I find no equal to him in maintaining